abstraction. Four features of OOPS. Okay. Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. So today we are going to discuss about encapsulation. Right. So guys, when you are speaking about encapsulation, there are two definitions are there for encapsulation. Two. In interview, if we ask anyone, what do you mean by encapsulation? Most of the time, what people will be saying, it is a process of, it is a process of wrapping up of data or binding up of data into a single unit. Encapsulation means it is a process of wrapping up of data or binding up of data, binding up of data into a single unit. Most of the time, people will be saying this definition. And of course, this is correct. This is correct. I'm not saying wrong. This is correct. But this is textbook definition, not programmatical definition, not a technical definition. Once again, I am saying you, if you say this definition also, that is correct. For example, when we are conducting an interview, in 10 people, 9 people will be saying the same answer. But we will not be looking for this answer. Trust me when I'm saying this. We will not be looking for this answer. This is textbook definition. Right now, I'm going to write one more definition for encapsulation. From this moment onwards, I want you to say, or else I want you to use that definition. Let me just try to write like that. It is a process of, it is a process of making the fields as private and providing the access to those fields with the help of public methods, with the help of public methods, that is through setters and getters methods. Like that. It is a process of making the fields as private, and providing access to those fields with the help of public methods, that is through setters and getters methods. Now, guys, if you say this definition for encapsulation, when you face this question, if you face this definition for encapsulation, interviewer will be amazed. Trust me. Why? Because a technical person who already worked on a project which is having encapsulation, only he can say this. Only he can say this. Am I clear with this? So right now, you may think that it is something complicated, but after exactly 20 to 25 minutes, easily you will remember this definition. So shall we see the program for this encapsulation? Shall we? Let's go. Okay. Now, first, let me try to have class A, class A, and class B. Okay. Now, guys, please don't write when I'm explaining. Please don't write when I'm explaining. Just close your books, simply relax, and enjoy the code. That's it. Please, please sit properly. Sit properly. Be comfortable. Take it. All right. Now, online students, are you following? Online students, can you please respond? Please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Shall we start? That is great. That is great. That is great. All right, guys. All right. All right. I don't know about you, but I'm excited to start Oops. Are you? Let's go. So, guys, I'll do one thing. First, I'm going to take string string emp name int emp int emp id int emp id and string emp department, just like that. Okay, three variables I have taken, just three variables. Now, what is my requirement? From class B. Okay, let me just try to have a small method, void method one. Okay, now what I want to do, in class B, I want to ask the data from the user. Whatever the data which is entered by the user, I want that data to assign to these variables. Let me show you. Please observe, just observe the code. New SCANNER, new scanner, SOSTM system dot in, okay, just equal to, let me go with like SC belongs to scanner class. I'll make it as a instance variable, static. Okay, now I have imported. Okay, now I'm asking the user. I'm asking the user. System.out.println. Please enter your name. Please enter your name. So whatever the name which is entered by the user, SC dot next line. Just let me try to go with like equal to equal to guys. I want to assign this name to my EMP name. I want to assign whatever the name which is entered by the user to my EMP name. How? Come on, I'm waiting. No, not extends. See, Gina, up to now we did not cover inheritance. So please don't use the concepts which we are not covered. Tell me. No, seriously, no one? Loud. See, say loudly, no problem. Class A dot. No, that's not a static variable. Exactly. This is not a static variable. This is which variable? Instance variable. So you know that we can access an instance variable with the help of its respective class object. In how many ways we can call an instance variable? What are those? Identifier name and class object. So directly with the help of identifier name, for example, if I'm writing like this EMP name, obviously we'll be getting an error. Why? Because see, this identifier in class A, it can recognize. but we are not using in class A. We are using in class B. So compiler does not understand what is the CMP name. So what we need to do? Create a for new class A, new class A equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. Okay. Now AOBJ dot EMP name. Can I write like that? Okay. Now after that, I want to ask the user system.out.println, please enter your ID. Please enter your ID. Let me go with like sc dot next int, and here equal to, come on, aobj dot emp id. Okay, just like that, I want to ask the user to enter. Please enter your department. Okay, come on, go ahead. Let me go to like sc dot next method, and here I'm just trying to use come on, aobj dot emp department, like that. Up to now, is anyone having any doubt? Up to now, any doubt? That is good. That is good. So, guys, once again, I am saying you, some people, online students, some people had like responded, sir, we need to use import statement. When we need to use import, guys, if both the classes are present in two different packages, then only we need to use import. Seriously, please don't forget the basics. Don't forget the basics. Don't forget the basics. So import is not required. Okay, okay. Now, why you have used a different method of SC? What? Why you have used a different method of SC? What do you mean by that, Gina? What do you mean by that? Next line. Next in. So, where are those methods present? Where are those methods present? Yes, we are using them only. Please concentrate clearly, buddy. Please concentrate clearly. Okay, okay. Now, guys, let me just go to my main method. Now, inside my main method, new class. Come on, class B. Dot. Help me with the code. Come on. Okay, dot method one. Okay. Now I'm just trying to execute my program. Right click, run as Java application, Windows show view console. Okay, please enter your name. Okay, KSHNBSANA. Okay, I'm entering like that. Okay, and now please enter your ID 101, and please enter your department, of course, Java. I'll be trying to enter like that. Okay, now now, here, what I want to do, I want to display the data which is entered by the user also. Are you understanding me? Okay, so just let me try to system.out.println data entered by the user. Okay, SYSO EMP or else EMPLOY, employee name plus, tell me, AOBJ dot EMP name. That is amazing. Okay, that is good. After that, system dot out dot println. Come on. EMPLOY employee ID. Employee ID plus AOBJ dot EMP ID. Okay, and once again SYSO. Let me go with like EMPLOY employee department plus AOBJ dot EMP department. All right. So let me just try to execute my program, please. Right click, run as Java application. And okay, let me just try to enter my name, enter ID 101, and let me go to like department Java. If I press enter, 3, 2, 1, enter. This is my data. So whenever we are giving it data, next line method is accepting this, and we are assigning the same value to this EMP name. Whenever we are giving the ID 101, next in method is accepting this 101, and we are assigning the same value to EMP ID. And of course, when you are going with Java, also the same thing is happening here. Now, after that, we are trying to print our data. This process is not encapsulation. This is not encapsulation. I repeat, this is not encapsulation. Why it is not encapsulation? Guys, you are missing the most key point, means security. You are literally not providing the security for your variable names. You are not providing the security for the identifier names. Means class A identifier names, class B directly we are accessing them. Yes or no? Where is the security in that? No. Now my requirement is class B should not directly access my variable names. In simple, I don't want my class A variables to be accessed by class B. Okay, if you don't want your variables to be accessed by class B, you can make them as a private, private, and here also I'm making them as private. If you are making them as private, immediately you will be getting an error here. So class B literally cannot access, class B cannot access private variables of class A. Okay, well, no. The mission is not completed. The mission is class B should not be accessing my private variables, but I want the data from class B. The data which is available in class B, we want the data to be assigned to our variables. Yes, are you understanding me? Please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. My requirement is class A variables should not be accessed by class B. I repeat, class A variables should not be accessed by class B. But we want the data from class B to be available to class A variables. Means whatever the data which is available in class B, you need to assign that values to our variables. Sir, how that is possible? Those are private variables. Private variables, you cannot access them. Of course, you cannot access them. But how we are supposed to provide these values? Why can't we simply make them as just like normal variables? Why declaring them as private? Guys, seriously, you are dealing with internet, world wide web. It is purely very risk. Wherever you want to, wherever there is a possibility of providing the security, you need to provide the security, or else your site will be hacked. As simple as this. For example, for example, guys, do you know we can see the password in Gmail? How? Exactly. Exactly. For example, for example, please check this. I'm just trying to show. Let me try Naresh uh, at the rate of Gmail, or else we'll do one thing. SUPPORT support at the rate nareshit.com. I'm pressing enter button. Okay. Now we need to give the password. If we give the password like that, if we give a click on show password, we'll be able to get it. Am I right or wrong? But instead of this, without even giving a click on show password also, we can see that. We can see that. This is also one of the part in ethical hacking. Yeah, this is one of the rule in hacking also. We can do that. Are you understanding what exactly I'm saying here? If you change the just a simple code in the source code, automatically the password is visible. So what I want to say here is internet is highly insecure. Wherever there is a possibility of giving security for your data, you need to do that. That is, come on, that is whole soul of our OOPS concept. What is the main concept of OOPS? What is the main use of OOPS? OOPS concept, like object-oriented programming languages, they mainly concentrate on data security. So, what I want to do, I don't want my class B to access my variables, class A variables. No, no way, no way. Let me make them as a private private, and just let me go to like private private, and here also private private like that. So immediately, if you are making them as private, here we are getting an error. Why? Because come on, what is the scope of private access modifier? Answer within the class. So, sir, mission accomplished? No. Still it is pending. Why it is pending? Why it is pending? We want the data from class B. Yes, are you understanding me? So I'm going to use a small shortcut, Alt plus Shift SHIFT, Shift plus S. That is a small shortcut. After that, I want you to select generate setters and getters methods. This is a small shortcut, just a small shortcut. And now let me just try to use that. Generate setters and getters and setters methods. I want you to please expand all the checkboxes. Select all the checkboxes. Just select all the checkboxes and then give a click on generate. Immediately, immediately you will be getting some methods like this. Now, these are our private variables. Could you please check this access modifier? Public, public, public. All these are public methods. Okay. Do me a favor, guys. Please read this name, method name, public. Answer, get EMP name, set EMP name, get EMP ID, set EMP ID, get EMP department, set EMP department. Now, if you observe, all these are public methods. Listen, all these are public methods. Okay. Now, you know that. Are you okay? You want to go and speak? Are you okay? Fine. Okay. Please listen, guys. Please listen. You know that all these are public methods, and you know that we can access a public method in another class also. Now, please observe line number 14. Please observe line number 14. Now, answer my question. Line number 14. What is the method name? Answer. Remaining people. Guys, seriously, please respond. Please respond. What is the method name? What is the method name? Is it a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Type. Type is string. What is its name? Parameter name is EMP name. Okay. What is happening in line number 16? Whatever this EMP name, the value is having, that value we are assigning to our instance variable. This keyword. Remember this keyword. What is the first use of this keyword? This keyword is used to resolve the ambiguity between come on, instance variable and local variable. That's exactly what I'm doing here. Whatever the value which this EMP name is having, I'm assigning that value to my instance variable. Now, guys, help me with this. What I want to do, voice. Guys, is my voice breaking? Come on. Just now. I think just now it's breaking. Is it breaking right now? Am I audible? Guys, please check. Please check. Am I audible now? Am I audible now? Now it is audible. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Now it's audible, right? Fine, fine. So, guys, please listen. Please listen. Once again, I'm saying you. Once again, I'm saying you. This is a public method. This is a public method. What is this method name? What is this method name? Set EMP name. Okay. It is a parameterized method. It is a parameterized method. Okay. And what is its parameter type? String. How many parameters? Only one parameter. Its type is string. What is its identifier name? EMP name. Actually, this is a local variable, right? Yes or no? Here? Local name, instance variable name, both are same. You know how to resolve that. How can we resolve that? By using this keyword. So what I am doing here, I am trying to assign EMP name, that is local variable value. For example, if EMP name is having value like like that, now this EMP name value, what I'm doing here, I'm assigning to my instance variable. Yes or no? Here? Am I clear with this? Okay, okay. Now, what I want you to help me is, guys, here we are getting an error. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. I'll try to comment all these lines. Let me comment all these lines. Now, here, enter your name. Whenever we are trying to enter the name, if you are directly accessing a private variable, we are getting an error. So, I'll keep them in comment. Now, I want to assign whatever the data which is entered by the user to my instance variable. So, can I call this method? Hey, tell me here. This method is present in which class? Class A. So, if I want to call a method present in a class, if I want to call a method present in a class, how can I call? What I need? What I need? It's class object. Am I having that class object? So can I write, for example, aobj dot set emp name. I'll just try to write like that. If I remove this from the comment, am I going to get an error or not? We'll be getting an error. Why? Why? Guys, set TMP name method is a parameterizer method. Which parameter? So can I directly write a c dot next line method like this? Whatever the data which is entered by the user, I'm accepting that as a string. Listen, concentrate, concentrate. Right. Whatever the data which is entered by the user, I'm trying to accept the data as a string by using which method? By using which method? Next line method, and I'm passing that as a parameter for my set emp name. Guys, actually, what is happening in line number 14? I'm calling set emp name. Am I right or wrong? For example, if I write, for example, if I write system.out.println setting the emp name. If I write like that, now if I execute my program, right click, run as Java application. Let me window show view console. Please enter your name. I'm entering Kishan BASN like that. If I press enter button, what is my output? Come on. If I press enter button, what is my output? Setting EMP name. Am I right or wrong? Means just let me try to show you. Let me enter 3, 2, 1, enter button. How we got this output? Why? Because we are calling this method. Inside this method, we are having this statement. That is the only reason this statement got printed. Now my question is, value of EMP name. What is the value of EMP name? Kishan Basha, like whatever the name which I have given, that will be there. Am I right or wrong, guys? Now I want to print it. I want to print it. Okay, let me come to my class B. Let me come to my class B. And if I'm writing like that, you know that we'll be getting an error. Hey, yes or no? Yeah? Why we are getting an error? Private variable. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me just try to keep this in comment. And now, and now, please observe this method. Answer my question. What is the method name? Answer. Is it a public method? What is the return type? What it is returning? EMP name. Yes or no? What is the value present inside that EMP name? Question bus. Now here, can I write aobj dot get EMP name? I hope you understanding the concept here. Now I'll do one thing. Let me remove this. I don't want to get you confused. Let me remove this and now close it. I'm executing the program once again. I'm executing the program once again. Right click, run as Java application. Please enter your name. I'm entering my name, BASINA. I'm pressing enter button. Employee name, Kishan Basan. Now, in this entire code, did anywhere class B directly access private variables? But am I able to provide the value? Am I able to access the value? What do you mean by encapsulation? Slowly, slowly, slowly. It is a process of making the fields as private and providing. Please check the definition. Did you wrote it down? No? Okay, it's okay. No problem. Please, please. It is a process of making the fields as private and providing access to those fields with the help of public methods. That is through setters and getters methods. Am I clear with this? Respond. Now, please help me to provide the values for remaining also. Okay. Tell me. AOBJ dot set EMP ID SC dot next int. Come on, that's amazing, guys. Okay. Now, please tell me. AOBJ dot set. Tell me next method. Okay. Now, I want to print also. Please. I just want to print the data also. Come on. System dot out dot println AOBJ dot get EMP ID and exactly the same like that. Please tell me. EMP dot get EMP department. Let me execute, guys. Right click, run as Java application. And now please enter your name. Of course, I'm entering my name. Just let me try to go like that. If I press enter immediately, which method will be getting called? Which? If I press enter, which method will be getting called? Set EMP name. That method is present in what is its access modifier? Is it a parameterized or non-parameterized? Type. That's it. Already the value is assigned. Value is assigned to my private variable. After that, enter your EMP ID. Okay, I'm entering 101. Now, if I press enter, which method will be getting called? Set EMP ID. Present in, like, what is the access modifier? How many parameters? Type. And what that method is doing? Assigning the value to our instance variable. Yes or no? Now, if I press enter, 101 will be directly assigned to private EMP ID. Done. Already assigned. Now, department. Come on. Let me go with like Java. Just let me try to go with like Java. If I press enter, come on. Which method will be getting called? Set EMP department. Parameterized or non-parameterized? How many parameters? Type. What that method is doing? Assigning value to our instance variable. If I press enter, what will be happening? We'll be getting this line, and obviously we'll be trying to, what is happening here? We are calling, yes or no? We are calling EMP name. We are calling EMP ID. Get EMP ID. We are calling get EMP department. What is the return type of get EMP name? Respond. What get EMP name is returning? EMP name, that is instance variable. Yes or no? Now, let us just try to execute. Now, let me just press enter 3, 2, 1. This is encapsulation. Now, please, what do you mean by encapsulation? Start with the word it is a process of. Please tell me. Process of making fields as private and providing access to those fields with the help of public methods. That is through setters and getters methods. Am I clear with this? One more time, please. What do you mean by encapsulation? Process of making fields as private and providing access to those fields with the help of public methods. That is through setters and getters methods. Come on, please have this. Please have this. Please have this. Don't even dare to forget this, please. Complete. From this moment onwards, please don't go with the first definition. I strongly, literally recommend you to please go with the second definition, please. Complete. How many are writing, please, guys? Carry on, please. Carry on, carry on. If possible, try to write the definition by your own. You know you can do that. Come on. Oops, concepts, guys. How many are writing? Please raise. 30 seconds, boys. And done. Please. First, go with class A. Sir, can we provide encapsulation if the classes are present in different package? Yeah, just simply import. That's it. Yeah, just a sec. Is it done? I hope class A is complete for everyone. Not done. Okay, please, please. I hope you're understanding why we are keeping these line number 13, line number 18, all these in comments. Why? Because private variables. If you are directly accessing these private variables, we'll be getting an error. I hope up to line number 14 complete for everyone. Go ahead, please. That's the code. That's the complete code. Completed? Up to line number 25 complete for everyone? Okay. One, two, three, four. One here. One, two, three, four, five. You continue writing the code. Right. Six. Yeah, first write the code, Divya. First write the code. First complete class B. Later again I will try to show class A. Done, guys? Completed? No? How many are writing? Please raise. Please raise. Carry on. Please carry on. Please carry on. Okay. Now, guys, setters and getters methods we can write in our own order. In class A, it's not mandatory that you need to first write get, then only set. No, come on. You can write any order. Those are methods, right? Those will be getting executed in which time you are calling, in which order you are calling. And who is this buddy? 27406. What's your name here? Seriously, why you are keeping these many messages? Grow up. Please grow up. Right. Yes, Priyanka. Yes. All right, guys, committed. Now the task is, guys, right now, how many private variables I have taken? I want you to add one more. I want you to add one more, that is salary. Salary. Try to add salary. Listen. And one more, years of experience. So total, how many variables it will be? Now, the task is, listen. Is it important? No, you. Yes. Listen, Tali. Please concentrate. Concentrate. The task is, I want you to take 5 variables, string, EMP name, EMP ID, EMP department, EMP salary, and EMP experience. If the employee experience is 5 or above 5 years, I want you to increase his salary by 10% and print the updated salary. I repeat, you need to ask the user, to enter his name, EMP name, EMP ID, EMP department, EMP salary, and EMP experience. If the experience is 5 or more than 5, increase his salary by 10%. If his experience is below 5, increase his salary by 5% and print the updated salary. Am I clear with this? You should not write the logic in class B. Class B is used only to access the data and print the data. That's it. Am I clear with this? Where you will be doing the logic, I don't know. But in class B, you should not write the logic. Once again, I'm saying you, class B is only used for asking the data from the user and printing the data, printing the updated details. That's it, not more than that. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Please take this as a task and try to get it by tomorrow. And if completed by today only, please message me on Instagram. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for listening. And tomorrow we'll be trying to discuss about inheritance. All right. Online students, I hope you understand the question. Yes. Soumya, it's not mandatory, but generally whenever we are having multiple private variables are there, 20 to 30 private variables are there, we will not be able to, we will not be writing these methods by our own. We will be generating them. So whenever we are generating, automatically it will be getting set and get. Okay. Devyani, we are not completely different. We are directly not accessing them with the help of identifier name. Here, are we accessing with the help of identifier name? No. Right. That is great, Amma. That is great. All right, guys. That's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening.